y'all? So today's video is going to be another collaboration with Born Pretty. They were nice enough to send your girl over 5 more gel nail polishes. So before I jump into these polishes, I wanted to give you guys an update. So y'all, it's been 4 weeks. I'm gonna show you guys. It's been 4 weeks since I last got my nails done, and y'all, as y'all can see, my nails are holding up perfectly fine. The only thing that I need is a fill-in. As you guys can see, my polish have not chipped at all. It have not chipped. No chipping or nothing, no discoloration of nothing. And y'all, when I say I've been doing everything with my nails, from cleaning to picking up heavy stuff, my nails have not chipped. I do feel like Born Pretty do have good quality gel nail polish, and I have stated that in my previous videos. So if you guys are looking for some affordable options, definitely check out Born Pretty. I definitely, as you guys can see, I definitely need a fill-in, and I also need a nail replacement. My nail broke the other day, so yes, your girl can't be walking around with these janky nails. So I am going to be off to the nail salon, but as you can see, even with this hand, my nail polish have not chipped. Even though I'm missing a nail, this is not cute at all. Even though I'm missing a nail, my polish is still holding up pretty well. It's still holding up pretty well. So y'all, I'm about to go let my girl Rita do something with these nails, and I'm gonna be back and let you guys know the polishes that they sent. I am going to be using maybe 2 or 3 colors from this set, and I'm gonna just be back and show you guys how my nails look. So before I go, I forgot one thing. I did want to let you guys know this is how the individual gel polish come. It comes in this cute box, and y'all, when I tell y'all, Born Pretty has been updating their packaging. Like, I love their packaging. So you get 1 gel nail polish in this box. The box is secured. It do have like this plastic on the box. That's why I didn't show y'all the polish yet, because it's gonna take a little minute for me to open this box. But it do have plastic on the box. I do like the fact that it do have the directions on how to do a gel set. So that is also great, because most packaging you do not see this. So I do like the fact that they do have that on their box. But I just like y'all, I'm like really a sucker for packaging. I do like this packaging. When they sent me the polish, it did just come wrapped, and it came in a polymer bag. I know I'm saying that wrong, but I just wanted to show you guys the packaging before I take it out and head to the nail salon. So I do like the fact that I know that my polish is going to be secured. It's not shifting, you know. I don't have to worry about any spilling or anything like that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take the polish out the box, and it is 10 ml of gel nail polish. I do feel like the 10 ml gel polish, it lasts a very long time. So I do like this packaging, like, I really do. Okay, I'm rambling, y'all. Sis gotta go get her nails done, because this is... What's up, y'all? So it's been 3 weeks since I filmed the first part of this video. Yes, y'all, 3 weeks. I got my nails done on June 12th. Today is June 30th. So it's been 3 weeks since I had my nails done. I'm going to be needing a fill-in soon, as you guys can see. But this is how my nails turned out. This is the design of my nails. I am going to post a close-up video right here or somewhere on the screen. I did use 2 colors out of the 5. I did use the Born Pretty white gel nail polish, so this is why you guys see white. I feel like my nails are holding up lovely. For 3 weeks, the only thing I need is a fill-in. And I feel like my videos is really starting to get repetitive, because they are, because I literally don't have anything bad to say when it comes to Born Pretty gel nail polish. This is how my nails look. This is how they're holding up for 3 weeks. I still feel like my nails are bomb. They're still bomb. I get so many compliments. I was a little skeptical when I did get this design. Really the gems on my nails, because I didn't want to be walking around with no missing gems. But as always, my girl Rita did reassure me that my gems is gonna stay on. And y'all, when I say I've been handling pots and pans, cooking and cleaning and doing all types of stuff with my hands, my nails is still on intact. My gems are still on my nails. And y'all, Born Pretty never seemed to amaze me. This company is very affordable. Like, they gel polishes is very affordable. The quality is amazing. I really do love Born Pretty gel nail polish. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me this polish. You guys know I always give my honest opinion. I speak the truth, because ain't nobody got time to be wasting no coins, period, point blank. So we just gonna get right into this video. But yeah, guys, this is how my nails look. Rita did her thing with this design. I truly love how my nails turned out. Definitely shout out to Born Pretty for always hooking your girl up with some gel nail polish. You guys know I have to delay these videos. I'm not about to get on camera and show you guys my nails as soon as I got them done, because I feel like I'm not giving you guys my honest and truthful opinion. So this is why I have to wait a couple of weeks to see if I notice any chipping or any discoloration or anything when it comes to the gel nail polish that they sent me. So you guys already know I'm gonna give you guys always my honest and truthful opinion. I'm gonna spill all the tea when it comes to anything. So let's just jump right into these nail swatches, because y'all, I'm rambling. So all the polishes that I do have here is from the Silky White series. So the first polish I'm gonna start off with is the CG 106. And when I did the nail swatch, this is how this polish turned out. So with the glitter polishes, I did do about 3 coats. I wanted you guys to see how much the glitter stands out. For my nail tech, I believe she only did 2 coats. So that's why you can't see as much glitter on my nail as like the swatch that I did. But if you do about 3 coats, this is how your nail will come out. And this is how that gel nail polish looks. To me, the polish doesn't smell like strong. So the next polish we have here is CG 107. One thing about these glitter polishes, up close you can really see the color. You can really see the glitter color, and I feel like this will really make your nails stand out. It will really make your nails pop. And I do like the fact that you can actually see the color of the glitter. So this is how this polish look. As you guys can see, the glitter in this polish is really thick. Okay, it is really thick, and this is why I was so skeptical of using the polish. But I was like, you know what, let me just do a nail swatch just to see how the polish look. And y'all, when I tell y'all, after I did those 3 coats, I was like, oh my gosh, I am in love with this glitter polish. So with these 2 colors, I only did 2 coats. And this color is CG93. This is how this color is looking. So the next color we have here is CG38, the color that I do have on my nails, as you guys can see. And this is how this color looks, y'all. When I seen this color, I fell in love with it. Like, literally, the pictures, it don't do it no justice. When you see this color in person, it looks so pretty. And last but not least, this color is CG12. And this is how that color looks. So y'all, I do love how all of the colors look. I literally cannot wait to try the glitter colors. But I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. And I cannot wait to try more of Born Pretty gel nail polishes. If you guys want me to do more reviews on this company, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. But I will leave all the links down below in the description box to where you can get each individual nail polish from. But that is going to be all that I have for today. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.